Today we're going to be showing you how to keep your pool bright and shiny clean and not look like this, but look like this. To start, you will need a pool net, a broom, pH minus or pH higher, a filter, chlorine tablets, and a chlorine dispenser, and a water testing kit. In this video, you can also see that there's a little bit of algae buildup on the sides of the pool and on the bottom. And if you can't tell, you can just look at this and see that there is a green tint to it. You want your pool to be blue. At its cleanest, it will be blue, not green. So the first thing we're going to do is test the water. In your testing kit, you have a plastic device that you fill with water. And you also have two different liquids, one is red and one is yellow. If you read the directions, it'll tell you exactly what to do. On ours, you put 4 drops of each in different tubes. And then you put the lids back on, you invert the plastic piece a couple times to kind of mix up the water, and then you wait 5 minutes. At the end of the 5 minutes, you can look and see what colors match the colors on the side. As you can see here, our pH is ideal and our chlorine is basically non-existent. Now we're going to add some chlorine. We keep 3 tablets in our dispenser at all times. Sometimes if we've let it run out and it's spent a day or half a day without chlorine, we'll add 4. Next, you want to get all the debris out of the pool. You will use your net to do this, and you just want to try to get everything out that you can that will stay in the net. And then you're going to want to pull out any leaves or twigs, any kind of debris that has built up on your drain, which is the bottom outlet. Next, you need to change the filter. This is pretty self-explanatory. You just untwist the piece that is holding the top of the filter pump down, and you pull the top off, take out your dirty filter and replace with your new filter. Make sure that before you change the filter that you turn the plunger valves to the lock position to make sure that no water is spilling out over when you open the pump. And then make sure to unlock the plunger valves when you are done. Once that's done, you can turn your pump on. And then we're going to start sweeping. You want to sweep everything towards the bottom outlet, which is also known as the drain. And then you just sit back and wait for the pump to do its job. Usually, if the pool isn't too green, it will only take 1 4-hour pump cycle for the pool to look really clean again. Like I said earlier, your pool at its cleanest should have a blue tint to it. It doesn't have to be bright blue, but that's naturally what it should look like when it is clean and it has the right pH and it has the right chlorine amount. If you have any hint of green, then your pool is not clean. We run our pump for 4 hours a day. Last year and the year before, we only ran it for 2 hours a day, and then I realized that 4 hours made it to where I didn't have to do as much work. This is up to you. Sometimes when the pool has been really dirty, I'll turn it on for longer than that, but 2 or 4 hours a day should be fine. I hope this helps you clean your pool and figure out how to make it really clear and blue. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you want to see more tips and tricks or even DIYs about stacked tank pools and things around the house. Thanks for watching.